Hello, hello. Turn up a bit. Is this good? This is a good volume? The microphone's not right in front of me at the moment, so I don't know if this is good or not. Actually, I'm going to turn it down one. There you go. Welcome, Jax and Terminal, to the stream. We're doing okay. Let me just whack some music on. I don't have everything fully set up yet because I had to set up in a bit of a hurry. Some of you may know I actually installed Windows 11 onto this computer, so I had to reset everything up from scratch, and I haven't quite finished that yet. Let's get that on, and it turned out it was like, what, minus 35 I think the music was, something like that. Like, apparently I can have minus 34.9 or minus 35.1. So, thanks OBS for that. Do really appreciate that. Okay, why is it sorted like that? Let's get rid of that. And then the rest of these should be fine, I suppose. I just add... Oh, I don't have Windows Media Player on here, so I don't know how this is going to work. Oh, I think I can open them all in Groove. Okay, yeah, I can. Nice. That works a lot better for me, actually. I'm not doing too bad, Terminal. How are you? Thanks for the follow in Excel, by the way. Do appreciate it. And welcome, Fiestros. I can never bloody read it on the screen. How are you doing? That is very loud in my ears. I kind of ideally just want that as background music, not actually. Right, what are the buttons? Okay, I generally don't remember the buttons to any of this. Right, this one. There we go. Welcome to my amazing setup. I don't have the border around the outside of the overlay. The overlay is getting revamped soon anyway, so, and it won't include the border. So I'm just going to leave it off because, you know, it doesn't really do much, to be honest, does it? Okay, I just need to get something down and then we'll start. Where's the bloody note? There it is. Ah, you must have been the person in the feedback survey. They were like, "Oh, I didn't know you streamed." Yeah, no worries, no worries. It will actually be. I'm not sure if you're normally from the YouTube, but it will be streaming on YouTube next week, so you might have a slightly better chance of finding it as a little test stream. Then it will be going back to Twitch after that. Okay, cool. Right, ready to go. Oh, I need to turn this on D&D, so don't get random things. Okay, so the plan. Let's go into the terminal. Oh, it's not freaking out OBS now. Hey. Yeah, Windows 10's acrylic kind of freaked out OBS quite a lot, but Windows 11's whatever it got put in place in, whatever it had in place of acrylic does not freak it out, which is quite nice. So it should be programs, organizations, Carberra planning, yeah, and then it'd be what is it, Hikari series. There we go. And then we actually need to create a new venv. Venv, no v8. Let's go into the venv. Pip install. I don't know if we even have a requirements.txt. Did I put one in? I did! Nice, I must have put that in for my own convenience. Because it's got to re-download everything, because this is the first time since I installed Windows 11 that I'm coding Hikari on it. So it's got to do all this stuff from scratch. Is the music a good volume, by the way? I should do a package update just to see. Okay. Welcome Book. Is that a new Twitch account? So I do like how WSL on Windows 11 doesn't have the same bug as it does on Windows 10. That's nice to see. It's alright, okay, that's good. It was fine last time. I'm just looking at the sound. The sound can be really really misleading. I don't know why. It's not as misleading as it is on DaVinci though, because on DaVinci, the levels are unequally spaced. Can't remember. It's not a name I've seen before. So yeah. Actually, while we're talking about that survey, I'm kind of curious to see how many people have responded to it now. If you haven't heard of the feedback survey, by the way, I am doing one. Same as I did last. Oh, we got 26 now. Same as I did last year, just to get kind of people's feedback on the channel and everything. It looks something like this. Link is. I might be able to grab a link for it real quick and put it in the chat. If you want to fill this out, that'd be super helpful. Because it, it provides me a really good insight into what people think of the channel and everything it's doing. So if you do have a spare, maybe 15 minutes or something, then feel free. Now my microphone stand is in the way of the bloody chat, which is annoying. So I can't really do much better than this. Hang on. If I move it over there we go. Sure. What do you want to show me, Jax? Right. So how far? It's been a little while since we did this, so I don't remember exactly how far we got. I'm actually going to turn the music down even more on my end. Okay, so we got all the way to command cooldowns. I remember where we left off. Okay. If I had to look in the mirror, you have to look in the mirror too. Yeah, I remember where we left off now. And apparently, did I not? Oh yeah, because we haven't. We haven't got to chapter 4 yet, have we? Okay. I forgot. So we got command extension. Oh yeah. So we're doing command groups. Is this part of the command group? Did we do command groups before? I think we already did. Well, command options was already partially planned. We might need to go back to that. I haven't actually done any further planning on the series since last time we looked at this. Like I said I would, so that's a bit worry, but whatever. When's the tutorial series coming out? Whenever Hikari Stable comes out is the short answer to that. The long answer is the best current estimate that we have is April 2022 for the series, because the current estimate for the library is March. But even that's quite a generous estimate, so I really don't know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get it planned to such a state that I can basically start recording the moment Stable comes out. So hopefully it won't be any later than April. If it is any later than April, that's going to cause very serious problems for timing. But essentially the developer's got a lot of schoolwork going on. And then from May I'll have a lot of schoolwork going on, so I'm gonna essentially most of April I imagine to be trying to smash it. Oh, is it April? I don't remember exactly. Either way, there's kind of this sweet spot in the middle, and anything before or after that is just really difficult to work with. So we'll have to see how that goes. I think. Oh, I just realised Groove isn't attached to my taskbar. That's weird. I should probably do that. Completely forgot about that. Although I still need to try out the new Windows 11 media player that they've got going on. Because apparently they remade the media player. So cool, it'd be cool to see what that's like. Yeah, so loading extensions. Yeah, loading extensions is pretty easy from what I can tell. I don't know why I've got 3 of the same thing. I think I just didn't bother renaming these commands. Unload and then reload. Unload an extension and then reload an extension. Okay. Then we actually need to change the function names as well. I suppose we don't necessarily need to. It will work otherwise, but it's always best practice to do that. So loading them, I think loading them is fine. I don't remember if we get any errors. I think we do get extension already loaded if I remember correctly. We'll just run it and see what we get, I suppose. What the hell? Some keyboard, I don't care. Python -m, it'd be tutorial, wouldn't it? And I'd hope everything kind of works, I guess. There you go, it did work. We are running on a slower internet connection than I would be normally. So just keep that in mind. Also, if the stream dies, then also just keep that in mind. Because I have a horrible feeling the stream will die at some point. Because my home internet is not exactly the most reliable thing in the world. That's the correct server? Yes, it is. And then I think... yeah, we need to go in here. Extension load. Huh. That's weird. Huh, why isn't it not coming up? Yeah, and that just kind of freaks out. Didn't see DMs with John. You just stop being so nosy. Alright, why are these commands not loading in properly? One extension.child. I'm pretty sure I've done it right. Plugin.command, plugin.command, plugin.command. Command extension.child. That is correct, isn't it? Unless this is set incorrectly. Oh, God's sake, I'm gonna have to go. I went over here to open Firefox then. It's gonna take me a little while to get used to that, I think. Just bring this over. Light bulb docs. 2.1. Oh, I need to. Oh, we probably are actually using 2.1, aren't we? Okay. Guides. Oh, there is a lot of guides here. Wow. So is this on dark mode? Yeah, we don't need dark mode. It's fine as it is. And then it would be creating command groups. Commands. Yeah, you just create that, and then we might have to implement something different. Do we implement the right thing? No, we don't. That would be what it is. Extension. Huh, it's still not liking that. List index element. Oh god, okay. That did not go well. Yeah, so command extension implements prefix command group. The slash commands. I'm sure slash commands are groups. And how have I done it here? Because it worked here. Oh, it's subcommanded and subcommand. Oh, and then each command has to have subcommand. Right. Okay. See, that actually helped. My own tutorial series helped when planning my own tutorial series. There are some times where I like forget how to do something, especially when it comes to like pandas and that. And then I come back to it. To tutorial series to be like, how the hell did I do this before? Welcome Johnny to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Also, I don't think I gave that Gherkin Gurk a proper welcome, did I? Welcome to the stream. Sorry I didn't welcome you before. I'm doing more discord.py. No, I'm not. I'm doing Hikari. That's the one. Subs are pretty good, especially when they have brie on them. You're talking about Subway subs. So now, there we go. Okay, extension loads. So if you do like admin, I wonder, I've errored and I cannot. Okay, so we do need to extension not found. No extension but the name admin was found. Well, how very strange. So we do actually need to. I reckon we can get away with that in the init, maybe. Not in the init. Where did I put the bot? There it is. Oh, it's so weird working on my smaller screen. This is a strange experience. Oh my god, I forgot about all this. Also, are people like gonna want this zoomed in? I'm not sure if it's fine as it is or not. Thank you, Book's 28th millionth account for the follow. Yeah, I'm guessing we need to do. Okay. If is instance event dot exception lightbulb dot extension. Oh, there's so many. There's so many. Okay, we only need to do 3 though. Event.context.respond. No extension named. Event. Oh, it's going to be event.exception. Dot something or other. No, I don't know what it is. So we're going to go to the. Not the. Oh, Christ in my life. This is why you have type hints. But I can't be asked to re-implement it. Errors API reference. There it is. That's what I'm looking up. Should remember making a new one. Welcome, John, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Size is good. Okay, fair enough. Or do you only return in some of the exceptions? Probably a programming fault. Yes, that is a programming fault. Let's point out. This one doesn't need one. This one will need one, but I haven't bothered finishing. I haven't finished that one yet. Check failure. Come on, extension. No, the extension's not. Oh, it doesn't have anything. Oh, great. I think the text, I suppose, is fine enough. Yeah, we'll just work with that, I suppose. To just send string representation of the exception, because that will send the error message, and then we return. And then we do that, and then extension not loaded and extension already loaded. And then instead of just giving us an I have errored and cannot get up, I also don't like how on the Alt tab it goes blurry in the background. I don't like that for some reason. That throws me off big time. I liked it when it just kind of had it up, but with this I always have to double take because I'm like, oh, what the hell? But yeah, whatever. Oh, we gotta put full stops. Damn it. There we go. Forgot about those. Must be able to combine them. Yeah, probably actually, because they're all doing the same thing. So what you can do is, and I have no idea how Black would even begin to format this. what you can do is you can pass a tuple of types to check against. Like that. And then this would definitely be on a new line. And then the rest I really don't know. I imagine it would probably be slightly more than this, but I don't really care enough. That looks fine. So then that'll check if it's any of those three, and if it is, it will just send a message out. It might be what I do wonder. I don't know what the other default message errors are. I might have to look at those, because if they're all like, if they're all decent enough messages, I might just use them straight up. Yeah, and then we do extension loads. I think admin. This would be, it's already loaded. Oh, it's errors. I've turned the bot off is what I've done. I didn't realise I did that. I don't remember doing that. Admin. No extension by the name admin was found. Oh, I think there might actually be logic errors in the code. Go away, go away. Oh, God, it's so awkward. I'm so used to the bigger screen. Oh, yeah, okay. So what we've got to do is we've got to do... yeah, you have to pass... It's like lightbulb.extensions dot. I wonder if we could have some sort of like base thing. I was just thinking, why isn't Jax VIP? Then I realised, I remembered that mods can't be VIPs. Which is kind of an... I suppose it makes some sense, but it's a bit annoying. You can't set your mods as VIPs. Unless you can now, and I didn't realise, but... Also love this music, by the way. Yeah, it's a big F. What was it? Oh yeah, I was trying to... So is there a way that I can get... the part? Okay. So... extensions path equals path. This might start getting a little bit complicated, but we're going to work with it. So path of file ultimate VIP. Yeah, boy! I don't think I am registered as a VIP in the chat though. It would be pretty funny if I was. To be honest. If I just had all the badges. Although well, I have the broadcaster badge. I am technically tier 3 sub to myself because Twitch always tier 3 subs to yourself, which is kind of funny. VIP in your chat. I have no clue. Quite frankly, I really don't know. So I couldn't tell you, unfortunately. That reminds me, I still need to give my Prime sub to someone. I wonder if Aiden's still streaming. Because I'm not sure you're affiliate yet, are you, Jax? Otherwise I'll give it to you. Should I stream again? Sure. If you want to. Hasn't been streaming for... Oh yeah, because of university. I don't really know anyone who streams that I can give the bloody sub to at this point. Like... I really don't. There you go. Maybe we'll find someone after the end of this stream and I'll raid them and then just sub to them. Don't know what to stream how cute you are. I'm sure that will get a million views instantly. Part.file, it'd be dot parts. That'd be dot join dot parts from the last two onwards. And then it would be, so this should get printed at some point. Extension.admin.py. Oh no. I need up for another. I need that, I think. Oh no, I need that, I think. This should be like tutorial. No, I do need this one on the end because I want tutorial and extensions ideally. There we go. Okay, cool. This extension's path. I'm not sure what else to call it. I guess extension prefix. So then we try and load extension prefix plus. I wonder if I can actually modify that, like the inbuilt method to work with that. I guess I don't know. It's up to Toast. He only has like 10k subs. Because Stream to XQC, he only has like what, a few million, I think. I think he's only got like 2 million. I reckon he could do with the extra one. Setting a name for your AP scheduler job. What do you mean? Stream learning Rust. It could do. If you want Vicky shouting at you the whole time. What AP scheduler job? Oh, what this? I'll start at locals lambda. I don't really know why it's doing that. Maybe it's because it's a lambda, it's just freaking out. I don't even know what job that is. On started. Oh, because it's just, yeah, it's just literally a lambda. Because the function doesn't have a name. Normally it takes the function name, but because it's a lambda, it doesn't have one. And I can't be asked to change that. So, although, can you set a name? I don't know. Ping. I don't know. We'll try and set one and see if that works. Oh, you can set a name. Okay. Yeah, beat you to it. Beat you to it, John. So now, do you handle someone non-owner? Not currently, I don't think. I might do. I don't remember. Oh, oh, apparently I do handle it. But not properly. I do make the check, but I don't handle the error itself. Do I not? Really? I thought I did. I thought it was one of the things I did do. Oh, it's been such a long time. Yeah, no. Apparently I don't. Just gonna shove this in here. Light bulb. Dot not found. Not found, not owner. There you go. Check failure, I think. Well, check failure is here, isn't it? Oh, it's I have converter failure. You know, I need non-owner specifically. I think. Well, actually, if I do, I'll tell you how I can guarantee that. Exception equals get atra event dot exception original event dot exception. There you go. Oh, it says that. And then wherever we put event dot exception here, we instead put exe, but not for okay, we put those there. And then I don't think we need this one at all, actually. Yeah, I think that's fine. Failed error, you could just send a check failed message. Yeah. I've got not owner here, but welcome Matrix to the stream, hope you're doing okay. Thanks for the follow. It says 8:38 in the morning. I don't know if that was today or not, but thanks for the follow nonetheless. The bots, well, we're just planning stuff. It's mainly just kind of planning the series. So at the moment we're doing this bit loading, unloading and reloading extensions. We're just fixing up some of our error handling at the moment. Which was the error handling in part 3. The error handling was in part 2. Okay, well, I'm just gonna have to figure out a proper plan, I think. Do this a bit more properly later down the line. But we're currently, and then I need that as well. Actually, what we could do probably. No, we'll have this there because we need the extra dot. And now what we can do. Oh, I hate that Alt Tab screen. Extensions.load admin. Extension tutorial.extensions.admin is already loaded. Nice. And now we're handling the not owner properly. Sweet. So extension.unload fun. Extension fun is not loaded. So I only did that to one command, didn't I? Yes, we need to do this. And then this. Oh, that just errored differently, I think. Oh no, it just didn't work. Oh, because I didn't send a message, I don't think. Oh, it doesn't send a message if it completed. That would probably help, wouldn't it? ctx.send. No, it's stop respond. Done, I guess. Doesn't need to be anything spectacular. But it probably did unload the extension. So the dice command now should just no longer work. Okay, the dice command still registers. Okay, it's still registered, but it doesn't work. And if we do extension load fun, it will error again, but it should actually load it. And then that just outright doesn't work at all. It's just absolutely donezoed. Oh no, it did load it. Oh no, it did use it. It was just slow as all hell. Okay. I want to check on load, but in unload you just had to check to see if the extension's admin. I think what I've done, what I remember I did, was I set the checks. I set the checks on the group, and then I inherited the checks in the subcommands. So theoretically, it should always. It should always thingy. Oh, probably a network issue. Oh yeah, probably. Oh god, the router's dying already. That's not a good thing. Yikes. Essentially, I think what happens is the router kind of starts struggling if too many individual requests are sent to it too quickly. So I think it's fine with large requests generally on the whole. It's just if you do too much with it all at once, the router goes, nah, don't wanna do it. It's better than it was. It used to be effectively unusable. Like I remember during the lockdown when I had lectures and the router would maybe survive about 15 minutes before just going, nah, you're not watching this lecture anymore. You don't need your education in your third year, you know, the year that's getting you your degree. You don't need this degree, man. You just don't need it. So that was fun. Oh no, it was the end of the second year. Sorry, it was the end of the second year. I was having all these problems because I'd moved back to uni for third. In part because of the internet, but I was going to do that anyway. Yeah, end of the second year. I just didn't see any lectures because I couldn't do it because the router that we had installed was terrible. The old one would have been fine to do it, which is the worst part. The old router would have been okay with it. Or at least if it wasn't okay with it, it did crash. It's just a case of restarting and back in. The new router restarting generally doesn't fix the problem. It's a lot better now though, because I couldn't stream during that period either because the router would just die. But now it's a little better. Well, it's quite a lot better actually. I have to be honest. After I think 2 engineers and 4 calls to reset the systems, finally sort of fixed it. It's still giving out. It's still perpetually showing an error light. The light is yellow when it should be white. But it's working technically, so I don't know. Yeah, I think. Right, do we want to test if people can unload extensions just in case? So what I might have to do, I might have to go through and like unregister the commands. It's supposed to roll a number of dice you specify. Yes. So I specified 6, and it put a bonus on it, I think. So it's rolling 1 extra dice. Now, because what I did, I put numbers. Oh no! I remember what's going on. When I planned that command, there was a bug in Lightbulb where if you passed 0 as a default, the whole thing shut up. There we go. I've sworn now. I couldn't quite stop myself. Right, that's my 1 swear word. I'm allowed 1 in every stream, so that's the 1. So I believe that problem is fixed. I believe that problem was fixed ages ago. I just never got round to fixing it in the code. So now it should just roll. There we go. Yeah. Essentially, if you had a default of 0, I think it was version 2.0.0. If you had a default of 0, the command didn't work at all. It just errored completely, which is hilarious. It's a hilarious bug to have. So John or Book or someone, if you could try and unload the extension, unload the fun extension, see if that works. We'll see more accurately if it doesn't work, because you shouldn't be able to do it. Have you ever had an eggnog? No, I don't think so. The closest thing I've had to eggnog is Advocar, which is basically just alcoholic eggs. Which is quite nice actually. Hey, there we go. You don't see the slash commands at all? Well, that's a problem. That's weird, because they are here for me. That's strange. Okay, that does seem to be working fine. So if I do extension unload fun. Something doesn't work properly there. So I'm not even sure. Oh, it's gone! No! Oh. Okay. Okay, we had a freak out with the internet just then. I'm not sure if that was an OBS or router problem, because OBS did say that it was trying to send 25,000 kilobytes per second of data to Twitch for a bit, which was an interesting one. I don't know if it was trying to catch up or what. But yeah, that was a bit terrible. Okay, let's try that again, shall we? Done. Okay. Yeah, so the commands still come up. So we need to like unregister the commands. Yeah, we need to unregister the commands when they're being unloaded. I wonder if is there like an option to do that? No, there doesn't appear to be. Actually, unload might have one. No, it doesn't. Okay, so we need to find a way to like unload the commands. I don't know if the bot has a method of doing that, honestly. That might be worth. What I might try to do is I might try to contribute that maybe to Lightbulb for a future update. So when you do unload, oh god, I don't even know where it is. I'm in the wrong bloody thing. the app. So when you do like kind of, well, load extension automatically loads everything. So you could have a keyword argument here, say unload commands or I'm actually not sure what the proper term is. Is it registering? This one you wouldn't need it. Unload extension and then load. I imagine does it automatically, does it? I'm actually not 100% sure. Theoretically, it should do. Extension already loaded. Small modular T-cast extension type. It doesn't. Oh, because it uses the current extension thing to do. Oh god. Yeah. Oh yeah. Also, John, this is what I was telling you about before. So this 40xt. So this is one way you can kind of clean up your thing where it checks for only pi files. And that, if you wanted to look at that. I don't know. Is it register? Yeah, register commands. A command. Oh, so it does it when it creates the command object, and then. Oh, so you pass in the command object. Okay, so it is definitely possible. Yeah, it's not the same as regex. It uses glob expressions, not regex expressions. Yeah, so there is add commands and remove commands. Well, it's kind of. Is this a decorator? Oh no, it is just the word command. That was very strange, actually. It's not none. What's command? Oh, so it could be used as a decorator. Oh my goodness. No, it's a hybrid. Look, because if the command is not none, then by the time it gets to the end, it returns the command like. But if it is none, it creates a decorator. Damn, I'm not hybrid decorators. And Tomo was going on about with me about my third order decorator. But it calls itself. It calls itself. That's nuts. Okay, so it is certainly possible. So we could probably do that now. For oh god, I don't know how. Is it ctx.bot.get extension? Is that a thing we can do? Okay, let's see all the methods that have an extension to it. Extensions. Load extensions. Yeah. There's so many instances of the word extension. Oh my goodness. Unload. This is still unloading. Oh my Christ. Reload. Load extensions from. And then we're back to the start. What that was? Oh yeah. 127 instances. When do we spin the slots? Don't know, mate. That'd be. Imagine if Lightbot. We could. I wonder if we could create a slots command. That might be too complicated for the tutorial. That might just be too much. How do you get an extension? You probably get the plugin. Yeah, I think you get the plugin. All right, yeah. So then you pass in ctx.options.name.title. I think. And then you do just plugin dot command plugin dot all commands for command in plugin dot all commands ctx dot bot dot remove command command. Theoretically, that should work. See, I don't know if loading the extension will load the commands back up. But yeah. Extension unload fun. Done. Oh, it's still there. The command is still very much there. I don't know if it actually... I don't think that actually processed anything. Okay, let's do print plugin.all commands and see. There's a property there. I'm not actually sure. Oh no, it does have the commands. Oh, this might be. Is this an? Oh, this is probably an await actually. Oh no, it's not. Oh, it just removes it from the bot. It doesn't register anything. I don't think. Oh no, wait, it doesn't have to. Oh, what? Then how does it? How does it remove it from purge application? Oh, purge is all. Can't bother to fetch them individually yourself. I guess we do something like that. I'm not sure how you do fetch them individually yourself though. Unless the command like has I don't know if the command like has any sort of oh my Christ, okay. Nope. Delete unbound / commands to bot app. Okay. Delete unbound. Alright. Whether the bot should delete application commands that cannot find an invitation when the bot starts. Just when the bot starts. Unless you're talking about something else, because that's not the same thing. Huh? Delete unbound / commands. That's not a thing that exists. I think it is like this. Oh my. This purges all of them. Just all of them. Which is not really what I want. Get slash command, check. Maybe dispatch error event, like that. Fetch run IDs, load extensions for. So we're back to the extensions again. I'm not sure there is anything that allows us to do that because there's purge, which is not what we want. What is this typo? Oh my god! Handle message create for prefix commands. That's inexcusable, really, isn't it? How did that get through? Where's that called? It's just called also as well. That's kind of funny. There's yeah, there doesn't appear to be a way. That's weird. This is a meme. This is an absolute meme. That's incredible. Tomo, why? So okay, purges all. This is all application commands and all the global commands. It's true. Useful if you want to tear down old / commands from the pot, but can't be bothered to fetch them individually yourself. There isn't a teardown. This is the thing. Unless maybe there's some sort of teardown in here. Test you. Oh god, this is not really what I was looking for, really. How many times can I use really in a sentence? I really think I can really use really a lot. Really. Yeah, this looks like it's all of them. Okay, well, we'll try it, I suppose. We'll try it. We'll try it. Await ctx.bot.purge application commands for the... I forget where exactly it comes from. Do we import it from tutorial or something? From tutorial import guild. Where do we set this in the config? I don't know actually. Guess we go back into the bot to find out. os.environ. Okay, so it's in the environment variables. We did do that in the end, okay. You could tell I really do not remember most of this. What I was trying to do, really. Oh my god, all the pings! Jesus! This is the unload fun. I have errored and I cannot get up. Oh, OS is not a fun. That was the issue. I was expected to be a far more catastrophic issue than that. Done. Well, it is gone. So have all of them. Every single command is gone. Well then, yeah, that's really not what we want to do, is it? We'll have to ask about that, I suppose. We'll leave it like that for now because it does seem to at least work relatively as intended, which is nice. So yeah, that I think that no, let's just try the reload just in case. Oh please, there we go. genuinely thought. Okay, so that works fine. What? Okay. Okay, Discord. There we go. Oh no. Okay. Internet kind of died again there, so let's try that again. There you go. You have to contribute to this feature to delete /command. Yeah, I guess I will have to. That does seem like an extremely useful feature though. You'd think it would have been in the default implementation of Lightbulb, but never mind. I don't know. Oh, that ended very suddenly, did it? So what is this? I do not remember downloading a song by this name. Who knows? But yeah, we are an hour in. I think we've finally got the extension stuff loaded. What I'm going to do... Yeah, so I don't... Okay. Is there anything else? Oh my goodness. Is there anything else that's a part of this you can think of? So we've got creating the extensions plugins, we've got creating simple commands, we've got creating advanced commands, stuff to do with command options, stuff to do with command groups, command checks, command cooldowns, and loading, unloading, and reloading extensions. Is there anything else that kind of fits in this category that we need to deal with? Because I don't think so. I think we've got everything. While I'm thinking of it. I mean, in theory we can like always come back to this if we find something later. But I think we can move on to chapter 5 now. Oh my goodness, we're back. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that off. We're back. Oh my god. My internet just did the big die. Which is unfortunate. Oh, my internet is still kind of doing the die right now. Come on, internet, stop doing the die, please. I need you to stop doing the big die. Now Discord's done for. Fantastic. Alright. We'll give it a few, see if anyone kind of comes back or if we've lost everyone. Yeah, the internet is definitely back. I don't know if the Discord bot is gonna do anything. I'm gonna. Just gonna put out an alert just to make sure. I guess we'll plow on in the meantime. So I was gonna take a break and go to like adverts or whatever while I got some water or whatever. But thanks Twitch for, well, it wasn't Twitch at all. It was my internet. I don't know why I'm blaming Twitch. Thanks my internet for dying right then. Whatever, it's fine. I have absolutely no idea. Oh, that should be fun on that screen. Right, I've also closed the thingy, the player, just to make sure. You know, I'm gonna restart the tablet too because I think it's not liking what I'm doing. I think the chat's desynchronized potentially. This is what I was worried about streaming at home. No. Now OBS has crashed and everything. So I'm not actually 100% sure what data Twitch is even receiving. If there's been chat messages in the last like minute and a bit, I missed them because I was reloading Twitch. OBS has crashed in the meantime. Like crashed but didn't crash, I think. I really don't know what's going on. We may or may not be back. You have a hydro. I don't have any water. I will have to. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Yeah, my internet died, and then okay, yeah, I think my tablet's chat did desynchronize. I just had to reload basically everything individually, and I think we're back now. But my internet died. So what I was going to say before we went was that I was going to take a break, get some water because I need a drink. Well, now I do need a drink because of the hydrate, and then we'll come back for interactions. And then my internet bloody died, didn't it? So that was great. So the last like 5 or 6 minutes I've just been wasted on that. So I will quickly, I guess I'll quickly cut to commercials while I get some water to actually do the hydrate because I completely forgot I had that on. And then I'll check to see, because I was only going to stream to 6, but I'll check to see how long I can actually go for. Let's just pause that because that's probably freaking the internet out. So I'll be back in a wee bit. So, I don't know, 2 minutes. That works. Okay, I'm back. Let's turn that down. Okay, cool. Alright, we can probably turn it off now. So we can probably keep going until about 4:30, I think. So we can make up some of the time we lost in the great internet outage. I do have some water now, which I'm having to feed through the microphone stand. But I'm gonna sip it now. There you go. That's a real sip right there. Oh, there's a coaster there. That's incredibly convenient. Forgot that's where I put it. We also have some snacks, so yeah. Right, yes. Okay. Interactions. We're not focused on the right thing at all. Interactions. So, what do we need to cover for these? Welcome, Cider, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. So 5 points. Okay. So we need to do git add everything. That's gonna be a while. Git commit -m. I don't even know why I'm doing this because the whole plan is kind of falling apart really. In terms of kind of holding that. Windows 11, I actually really like it. It's definitely better than the Windows 10, for sure. It's essentially Windows 10, but everything looks better, everything feels better, everything runs smoother. The only small issue is that the taskbar's a bit bugged every now and then, but beyond that, yeah, everything is running really well so far. The UI is just a lot nicer. The settings panel is massively improved. Why are you stuck in the 11 beta? Yeah, I think I installed this the day before yesterday. So careful, WL crashes randomly. I haven't had WSL has actually been way more reliable under Windows 11. 3 times today. Yikes. Probably beta. Well, I, 1, have the store WSL, so I have the more up-to-date one. And 2, I'm sure on Windows 11 it just runs better. Because there was a bug on WSL where the remote, like certain IO operations would just crash and then you had to restart WSL. You don't have to do that on Windows 11. In the words of Todd Howard, it just works. So yeah, honestly, I'm loving it so far. I also, believe it or not, I do like the taskbar icons on the bottom in the center. The center works. It really works. It works for me anyway, because I could just go down there rather than over here. It just makes more sense in my head to have them in the center. Oh, right, yeah. Well, just don't use MongoDB then, I suppose. It's the lesson to be learned there. So interactions. I don't know a huge amount about interactions, so I'm not really sure where to start with these. I guess what we'd have to do in terms of interactions. Let's make a little sub plan here. So we'd have to cover buttons. We'd have to cover. It's more like, yeah, it really is just the two combined, which is good because macOS is super pretty, so that works for me. You have buttons, you have selection menus. That's about it, actually, isn't it? You don't really have much in terms of interactions. So yeah, I guess yeah, you have the selection menus. I think selection menus are easy to work with than buttons, so we might do those first. That's kind of it, actually, isn't it? Command interaction. What do you mean command interaction? I mean, I'm talking about the actual interaction components Oh, we've done slash commands already, so we don't need to worry about those. That was all handled in chapter 4. So I guess it's just those two things. Okay. So I'm sort of going to be learning how these work because I really am not sure. Interactions.py. Message component interaction. Formalizations. Thank you, Zippo, for the follow. Do appreciate it. Sorry, I only just saw that. Thank you for the follow. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, I always say hope you enjoyed the stream after that. I don't know why. I need to stop saying that because if you follow, that means you must be enjoying the stream. Talking of which, if you are enjoying the stream and you're not followed yet, then make sure to hit that follow button so you don't miss out on future streams. So next week, it'll be on YouTube, not Twitch. I'll do a test stream on YouTube. So, yeah, just so people know about that. That might not haven't already known. Lightbulb, and then from lightbulb. Actually, we don't need to do that from lightbulb import command anymore, do we? So plugin equals plugin, and then the name would be, is that, oh, I really do not, I barely remember at all how I even used it. It's been such a long time. Okay, yeah. So I'm not sure we're going to need a data store though. And then we don't need a class at all. So we need a command. So plugin dot commands at should be lightbulb dot just command again, I think. Oh, we can do the links command. Screw it, why not? And then, so with this you have your... Does choices... I forget if choices goes here or not. It doesn't for interactions, does it? Does it have links? Wait, what did I do for advanced? There'd be advanced, wouldn't it? Choices would be in here. I'm pretty sure I did one with choices. I did. Yeah, so choices goes there for this, but it doesn't go there for the others. So what we would want is, I just honestly don't remember how this works. Okay, so this can only work with slash commands, I think. Dot slash command. Let's command cert. No, we don't want that. We want the context. And actually, don't think we want anything else, do we? Dot slash context. We'll fully type in this from here. I think we will do type hinting in the series because it's a lot easier now. No, I forget. I think it was John that went through and redid all the types. And kind of sorted out the flaws in the way everything was imported into itself. So I generally do not remember how this works at all. So I think it's ctx.bot.build action row, or is it ctx.build action row? It's neither. Okay. We are gonna have to go in and see. Oh, why? Burning ring of fire. I think it's build action, right? Isn't it? Utils.nav. Oh, so there is actually. Okay, some fan going off somewhere. Oh, so this is the navigator. This is custom navigator. We don't need to worry about that for now. Oh, actually, that would probably be a good one to have, like a navigation menu of some kind. Put that in the plan for now. Navigation menu. Oh, wow. But I don't think we do it in. I think it's all Hikari. This. Hikari. I'm pretty sure it's an action, right, isn't it? Yeah. It's bot.rest.build action, right? Well, those are things. This could cause some issues. I'm gonna check your DM. Alright. Just made an emote out of my ID photo. Okay, so I think it's ctx.bot.rest.build action row. Yeah, and then does that return anything? Oh, Christ's sakes. Go away, Discord. Don't want you right now. Don't know what it returns out. Returns the action row builder. The initialize action row builder. Okay, so builder. No, not builders. Why did I put builders? And then we need add emotes to testing server. Maybe some other time. I'm not going to do that right now. Oh, add button, add component. Oh, add select menu. Okay. Select menu builder. Add to container should be called to finalize the button. Okay, so select builder equals builder dot add select menu. Does this not know what? Oh, it does action row builder. Build any. You what? How did you get any out of that? Why is that any? When this clearly returns an action row builder. Pylons! Christ's sakes. Am I gonna have to do this crap? No action row builder. And then, oh, it just doesn't want to do it. It just doesn't want to do it. So add select menu, and then I think the custom ID, I guess like link selection or something. Not sure. Code API.action row builder. Okay, cool. I don't know why pylons, because this clearly, you can see, this clearly returns an action row builder. But then over here, well, I've typed into the module Hikari now, but it just doesn't want to. Oh. Stupid pylons. Stupid. Okay, add select menu. Custom ID. Yeah, but just do link selection. Or link select, I guess. And then select builder dot, and then add option. Label then value. It would be for. We'll just have like say YouTube, Twitch, and then Discord or something. And then, well, actually, you'd probably want like anyone doing this for real would want their own mapping, wouldn't they? Link mapping equals, so you'd have say YouTube and then HTTPS. Well, I'll just do the Carberra XYZ. XYZ. Obviously, the way the Carberra URLs are set up, you don't have to do this. But yeah, anyone would kind of need some sort of mapping. Actually, does this come through? I don't know if that comes through or not. If it does come through, then that was probably extremely loud. And I do apologise for that. It does come through, okay. We hear it. I'm not... Actually, it probably wasn't so loud because it was turned down. But yeah. It's a full link... It's a full name link in... It's not loud, okay, that's fine. How hard can I mash it? Oh, there's only so many times you can activate it and deactivate it per unit time. Link mapping to items. Oh goodness. Set menu dot add option. Name link. And select builder dot add to container. And then is it like await ctx dot send builder? Select your link. I'm not sure. See, I might just... Actually, that probably won't. I'll try that. Oh, God. Let's not break Git. Command missing one optional... Oh, yeah, it's missing a description. Select a link. Tutorial... Oh, it's missing a load function. Which one is Discord? I closed Discord down because it was annoying me. I need to go back into the server. And then be... What is it? Forgotten links. An error occurred during the link's invocation. Objects. Oh, you don't await it. Oh, that's probably why it was mistyping it. Because it was like... Yeah, okay. Fair enough. I didn't really do an amazing job at telling me that, but I've errored and I cannot get up. Yeah, what be the issue do? Slash context and attribute send. Ah, I discord.pied it. Lonks. It's not quite what I was going for, really, is it? Okay, so we select a link, and then it's what? Component? I think it's component. Components? Component. I think it's component. Links. Oh, what now? Oh god. Base type required. What? Data 0. Data component 0. Component 0 options errors. This field is required. Have we... what? Are we missing something? Label value. The developer design... The user-facing name of this option. The developer-defined value of this option. Yeah, that doesn't do anything. custom ID. That's all we need there. Huh, okay. Well, what I'm going to do... I have 3 things. Label, description, value. Label and value are not required. Well, it says the add option. There's just the 2. Look. Oh, for God's sake, come on. There you go. Label and value, which are both required. Yeah, label and value required. Label, description, value. We can't pass a description into this. Well, I'm gonna have a look at the at my GitHub. Wow, that's zoomed. Hi GitHub, how are you doing? Hikari testing. So Discord handles menus. Well, Hikari apparently handles them slightly differently. I should be able to find it in here because we did this command before. Dude, it's placeholder? Oh, to add to menu. Right, okay. Okay, hang on. We're just gonna reset this. Select menu equals ctx.rest.build. Oh, God's sake! Build action row. I have no idea if rest is even a part of ctx on Lightbulb. I'm not sure it is, you know. It isn't. Okay, you need to do ctx.bot.rest on Lightbulb. Build action row, and then that's it. No, we need a dot. Add select menu, link select, and a dot set placeholder. Choose a link, and then we pass in select menu dot add to container, and then for name link in link mapping dot items select menu dot add option, and this gets dot add to menu, and then do option name link is seemingly how that's handled. And then, well, that will send it, but it won't actually do anything with it. So this should send. There we go. Okay. But that won't actually do anything now. Have they changed? I think they've changed how this looks slightly. That looks different. Interesting. So you send it and then try. Let's just try. Actually, we could do I think while true. Try event equals await ctx.bot.events. Oh, this is entirely different. Wait for. I think it's ctx.bot wait for. Hikari dot interaction create event. Interaction create event. Timeout equals 60. Accept asyncio or asyncio dot timeout error, which is not imported and it won't auto import. What is that? Okay, fine. Don't really know what that was, but sure. Handler for the that's what I'm building now. I just wanted to make sure it was actually like loading first. Await ctx dot edit last response. Okay, that's different. Timed out, and then components. Right, I remember this was done incorrectly in Tangent. I'd be interested to see if this works in Lightbulb. Else, wait, ctx.edit last response. And it'd be what, link? Because it'd just be link, really, wouldn't it? Right, I think. Oh no, it'd be no. It would be event.interaction.values 0 apparently. Okay, yeah. That theoretically should work. Links. Hey, oh, it's still going to say the interaction failed. How very odd. Why is that? Discord. Why does it say the interaction failed? I did though. Look, edit last response. Unless this has to be respond as well. Does that have to be respond too? Oh my goodness. That sounds a bit... Still, it doesn't make a difference. All it does is make it just a bit worse. Isn't this much easier? That's not the point, Johnny. I don't know if he's even in the stream. So yeah, that's not the answer. I don't know then how to... prevent that from failing in that case. I'm really not sure. Because, well, the respond just still breaks, which is nice. That's really good. Do we maybe have to wait for something? Edit last response. Okay, what other things? Response. Edit last response. Delete last response. That's it. That's all we got. CTX of menu interaction. How do you get that? Because we've got... Oh, no, this is... Oh, wait, do you mean like event.context maybe? Which doesn't appear to exist. Event.edit last... Does this have interaction create event? What is in this? Show on interaction. That's it. That's all it has. Well, maybe it's... oh god, I don't know. Add another listener to see for a certain menu interaction and respond to it. Why do we need 2 listeners then? That seems really dumb. That does not make any sense. Because we've already got a listener to wait for it. Slash menu button. Is it like a specific thing? Why? Okay, hang on. So slash. There isn't an event for that. Ban. Let's see all the events we have. Stopped event, starting event, ban. Integration of invite members, message, integration, that's not right either. Interaction's not even appearing on the list unless I missed it. Oh, interaction create, interaction update, interaction delete. Oh no, it's just interaction, that's all we have. Sets to use it. Well, that's not how Hikari does it apparently, so... If Discord.py requires a separate listener for stuff, then oh no. I really don't know. I'm gonna have to go into the Hikari docs and have a look at this. Because that doesn't make any interaction. Create event. Because this ain't making no sense, dog. Oh, the interaction. Okay. Interaction that this event is related to. Swear what? Discord expression so much. Sends an interaction create, which has a value like type, which is whether the. I guess. Well, the way that Discord does it doesn't matter when Hikari doesn't do the same thing. So that information is almost entirely irrelevant. It looks like interaction is a thing. Oh, I already have event or interaction. Okay, what's in here? Yeah, I'd like the actual interaction, please. I would do type. So this is where it is. It's just buried. Why would that matter though? Surely that wouldn't matter. Oh. Are we talking about different things? I'm not sure if we're talking about the same thing. Are you talking about like making sure that this only updates on the message? Because this so could just do the message. Or are you saying how to get rid of that error? Talking about how Discord handles interactions. Well, how Discord handles it and how Hikari handles it seem to be slightly different. I need to know how Hikari handles interactions. How Discord deals with them doesn't really matter. I need to know how to make Hikari do it. That's what I need. I want to use stream. I guess that might be the only way. Because this used to work. I'm sure this used to work. I don't know if it still works, but I guess it doesn't work anymore. I don't want to have to use stream. Stream is so weird and clunky. Stream. Oh god. John, have you got a URL to an example? So I don't want to have to look through his docs. Oh, it's probably this actually. Yeah, Tomo and Dav. Neither of them are here, I don't think, at the moment. I think Tomo's at work because I'm streaming earlier than normal. And Dav, I don't know where Dav is. Event. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be something like, if I just comment all that out for a second. It looks like it's going to be something like async. Well, I know it's an async with ctx.bot.stream Hikari.interaction create event timeout equals 60. Returns an event stream. Okay, thank you. I don't have the bloody Twitch chat open, do I? No, not. I want to mute that before it starts blasting. Or someone's joined. Welcome. Oh, Tomo, you're finally here. We're struggling with interactions big time. How do work? Is it? Why? That seems a bit strange. What, so like that? That doesn't seem, that almost doesn't seem right, but sure, okay. Oh, because it's as S and then, oh, because it does the async down here, I suppose. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Just use it for it. That's not really what we wanted. Dot filter, and then. Well, the thing is, what we're doing, what we're trying to figure out is, so we've got this up here. Select a link. If obviously the bot's not on at the moment. If I were to select a link, it would update the message like this, but then it would say the interaction still failed. We're trying to get rid of that. Can't log into Twitch. Oof. This just does. Oh, I know what I did. You don't need to use stream at all. We need to do. I don't know what it would be. It would be. Hang on, I'm gonna get the thing up. Oh, it's just args apparently. That's weird. Okay. But it'd be Hikari dot response type. I think you pass this in. Message update, and then you pass the content in, and then it just works. I think that sorts it, maybe? Potentially? Nope. Let's do that as a crit. Create initial response. So where would that go? Because I just copied the one that I did for tangent that I remember worked. So I guess stuff has changed. Event interaction, create initial response. So something like this. Event.interaction dot create initial response like that. And then this, is this timeout thing fine? I guess that wouldn't be fine, would it? We'll just try and make sure this works though. Try and see. Okay, there we go. It's to create initial response. Why do we not need to do that in the tangent example then, is what I don't understand. Because I remember this worked okay. Unless it just does something different. Timeout is fine. Okay, fair enough. Okay, well now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a timeout of like 5. and just double check. Apparently not. I guess we need to do a create initial response. Method is no. What? Oh, that's just stupid APP scheduler. Oh. That would probably help if I actually did something correctly for once. CTX.respond handles it for you. Oh, maybe. I didn't use CTX.respond. I used CTX.edit initial response. Oh, I did. Oh yeah, I did the respond up there. Timed out. Okay. Oh, this does the same thing as well. So where this component equals none, like doesn't get rid of the component. Well, I think I can't remember because I know in Tangent when we were doing it, it was either a problem where the docs were wrong or the library was wrong. I can't remember which way around it turned out to be. But if you do components equals that, so it's I guess it's not a tangent bug then. I guess it's a Hikari thing. Yeah. But why does component equal none not work? In my mind, setting components equals none should get rid of the component. Disable the menu. I think we tried that before. There was like something like this. We tried this before. I don't know if it worked. I don't know if it needs like updating separately or what. Okay, nice. It just does absolutely nothing. Sweet. I don't know. Or maybe we need this too. Select menu dot add to container. Oh, actually, you probably do need that as well. Links. Some automatically defer responses to all reactions. I guess maybe. Yeah, no, it just doesn't work. You pass a non-collection to components. Oh. I'll see if this works any better. No. I just don't think it's going to work. Come on. Nah, I can't be asked. It's not worth it. I'd prefer it to delete the component anyway. Anyone that wants to disable components can figure it out for themselves. So yeah, this needs to then be 60. And then, yeah, that all looks fine, I suppose. So this create initial response. So would it be better? I know this works, but would it be technically better, quote unquote, to have the initial response up here? Like instead of respond, have create initial response up here, and then have edit here. Would that be the better way around of doing it? Because to be honest, I'm not sure if that would even work. No, I was going to say, I don't know if the edit or the create is any more expensive, but I don't think it really matters because it's both sending the same data in it. No, that's fine. Another day I don't have to worry about stream. I should have this weird vendetta around that, I don't know why. Okay, so that works now. Cool. We've got a select menu working. I have this weird vendetta against this stream, and I don't necessarily know why. But I feel like I'm too far in to go back now. And I just have to commit to it now. So this could be, oh goodness. Selection menus. I guess selection menus will be the first one. I think selection menus are slightly easier than buttons, aren't they? Right, now what in the world do we do for buttons? What is a navigation menu? It's a light bulb util thing. So it's like, you know, like the paginated help commands that you used to get. It's that thing. Yeah, I'm probably going to. I don't know if we're going to get around to it this stream though. What is this thing on? Yeah, it's basically just wrap stuff around. But we actually need to do actual buttons first. Actually, because I guess what EXT Neon does, it does button menus, doesn't it? I do want to show raw buttons as well, but I think button menus I might do with Neon. We'll just have like a count. Use the button to count. Some really dumb command. But I reckon it'll show a button off. Slash command. Async def count. I'm pretty sure also I've now gone back on my naming convention. I think I've gone backwards on it. Yes, I have. I've just completely changed the naming convention. Let's change that back. Have I been doing that the whole stream? I don't know. Well, the whole stream I've been using those, so probably not. Come on, count. My goodness. Oh my word. Like, late boo product / command. Chosen the wrong way previously. Yeah, tell Max that. Carberra 1 used the method that I was using this stream to do commands, and then Max wasn't happy at all. And then eventually managed to convince me the other way around. So it have to be Max you go to. Oh, my tablet's running out of batteries. That's not good. You know what I've just thought? Welcome the Box Kids to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. I don't think I've seen you around before. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Alright, see you later, Sada. Thanks for stopping by. Functions sorted alphabetically. I'm going to see how much battery. Oh, where even is it? Where's my battery pack, man? Right, what's the battery percentage? 4. Amazing. Alright, that'll keep the tablet going for a bit, but we might have to do part of this stream without it. It's not necessarily good, because I do my chat and my activity manager from the tablet. The lower, yes. Fair enough. I think I made one game ever as an assignment, and I think I put way too much effort into it. It only needed to be in Game Maker, and I built a whole thing in Python from the ground up. Though granted, I did use Pygame. Didn't like code the graphics library or anything myself. That would have been pretty hilarious though. Naturally, as you can imagine, I got basically full marks for the thing. Which is pretty pogue. Fortunately, I lost the source code for it, but I do still have a video on it. So it's not entirely lost. it is immortalized on my YouTube channel, which is good. At least that's a good thing about YouTube. You can just do stuff like that. So we need to do roughly the same thing again. So we need to do button. We need to do button menu, I suppose. Equals ctx dot boat dot race to dot build action, right? I don't know what accent that was. Probably something extremely offensive, and I will probably need to make a YouTube apology video in the new year. Amazing. Button menu. Should really stop doing weird accents, because at some point someone's going to get pretty angry. Okay, we don't actually need to close. Hold on. No, that's fair enough. Did you use... Oh, there's... I think I might know the library you used. I completely forget what it is, though. I forget the name. But I think I know there is like a visual novel game maker library in Python, because that's what Doki Doki Literature Club used. Oh, I used a different one. There's one that begins with R. I don't remember what it is. I didn't actually know there were multiple of them. Well, unless you didn't make it in Python at all. You haven't actually said you made it in Python yet, so maybe you didn't make it there. But don't use a program. Oh, okay, that's fair. It's just a different one. Right. Do I have any button examples on here? So that would be quite useful if I did. I do not. Well, I do. Are they in? Are any of them in the fun? Come on, GitHub, you can do it. I believe in you. Christ's sakes. No, it's just actually not even. It's the stream. No, it's dead. Ugh. There's an ad. Oh, are we back? I think OBS is catching up. Oh. I think we're back. Okay, looks like we're back. There's an ad. That's really funny. It looks like my internet died, and then Twitch is like, put an ad on. That's hilarious, actually. We're back. My internet is struggling. Yeah. If you go on ads, my internet just freaked out. So what it looks like happened is that my internet kind of died. Twitch is like, something's gone wrong. Put an ad on. Put an ad on. That's pretty funny if that's what happened. Yeah, the internet just went a bit sour. Needs to refresh too. Oh god. Yeah, I don't think the stream is going to last that much longer, so let's try and get this done as quickly as we can. Okay, so do we have any buttons in this cog? No, we didn't. So that means we've got to resort to the Minesweeper. God, I hated this Minesweeper. Okay, so you have... Okay, so... Okay. So button menu dot add button. Wait, what am I... No, I've done... What does the add button return? Does that return the interactive button builder? Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess that would be button menu, and then you have add button. Oh, so we need to provide the style, which is Hikari dot button style dot primary. Why not? Drag and drop. That's fair enough. And then +1. And then we do... Oh my god. see, have... I'm just trying to... Okay, so we have await ctx.respond. Count equals 0. And then we need, you know, the count, which equals 0. So that will always equal 0, so we don't need to worry about that. Component equals a button menu, I guess. I'm reading chat, yeah. I literally read all of your last messages, so unless the stream's died again, which it hasn't. No, I'm reading chat, don't worry. Alright, see you later, Botskid. Thanks for the follow. Do appreciate that. I missed that. The activity monitor, I missed some stuff in there. Thanks for the follow, do appreciate that. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. I don't know what I'm missing. I've missed like the last 3 things in the activity monitor. I need to look at that. Because I'm looking underneath my microphone to see the chat and I don't bother looking at the rest of it. Because of the setup I've got here. What time is it? Okay, we've got about 15 minutes left. So you sort of spawned, and then it would be the same while true loop, wouldn't it? While true, try, and it'd actually be largely the same, right? So it'd be count plus equals 1. And then count, oops. Count with a 1,000 separated. And I think that should work. Hopefully. Founder badge. What does that do? That was 7 months ago, apparently. Oh, I think the founder badge means you were one of the first subscribers or something? If I remember correctly. I don't remember. Count. Oh no, we've done that wrong. Oh, why? Specified content type in this is invalid in this context. Alright. What have I done wrong? Because I have provided... board.rows, but that's a list. So row.app. Oh, right, yeah. Dot set. What we did was. Wait, what? Oh, I think I've messed something up here. Oh, this is a custom ID. It's a count button, and then set label. +1. Yeah, what I did was I didn't copy my own homework properly, and then add to container. Hey, we have a count button we can use to count things. That's like a single button example. So do we need... Oh! Slow down! You're clicking too fast. Let's go. I'm just having too much fun with the counter. I feel like I just need to like always be checking if the stream is on at this point. Because it's so difficult to know. Okay, so we've done some counting. Now, so we have... Oh, I've typed selection wrong. Also, Tomo, if you're still here, there's a typo in your library. Let's see if I can find it. That you need to fix. It will be in here. This handle message create for prefix commands has 3 S's in the function name or the method name. So you might want to fix that. Number 2, boutons. Then yeah, number 3 be button menus. Which we'll be using Lightbulb EXT Neon for. So pip install Lightbulb. I think it's -ext -neon. Nope. Oh, isn't it's not a PyPy yet, is it actually? Pip install git plus GitHub, and it's what? I think it's Neon John, and then I think it's that, isn't it? Really, it doesn't take SSH. God damn it. Okay, 0.1.0. I feel like the version number was higher than that. Oh no, it was, and then I think it got reset because it changed the library name, didn't it? Okay. So this will probably be the last thing we do in the stream, if we even manage to finish it. Colors. Select your fave color. Lightbulb.implements. Lightbulb./command async def command colors. Oh God, I cannot type at all. CTX. Lightbulb./commands. That gets converted to none. I don't know why I said that converted to, that's the point. Right, okay. Now I have to look at the... Are there docs for Neon? I'm actually not sure. I'm going to get to it through my stars though, because I'm pretty sure I starred it. Oh, it's right there, yeah. Oh, you actually create a menu for it. Okay. So class menu neon. Oh, we've got to import neon from lightbulb.ext import neon. This doesn't look promising. Okay, it does have docs, nice. Dot component. Okay, it does. For some reason, the colors don't seem to be happy, but thanks, Dace. That's fine. Alright, I'm gonna see. Yeah, I'm using the example, so we're gonna try and go with that. And then if we get stuck, I'll take the docs. I kind of forgot the example existed when I was like, is there docs for this? I thought, yeah, there's probably an example, isn't there? Because I remember it in the readme. Red. red button. I'm presuming this is, yeah, custom URL or custom ID. It's weird. Style. Hickory dickory dock dot. Or hickory dickory dot. Hey, Batman did it. Wow, that was a quick dinner. What the hell? What's going on? We are making a button menu. Or more precisely, a button group in Neon. Actually, I'm not sure whether to do a button group or a button menu. Wait, you could do select menus as well? I didn't know that. Is that new? That must be new. Wow, okay. Now I'm not sure how to plan this. Okay, what I might do then, I'll continue with this for now. What I might do is I might have like a selection menu, like doing it raw. And then, that's not the best way to phrase that, but we'll continue nonetheless. So, we'll have the raw implementation of the select menu. We'll have raw implementation of a button menu. And then we'll do the same thing in the Neon menus in a separate set of videos. I think that's probably the best way to do it, because then you have the comparison between the two. So how can a menu have a select menu? I guess that makes sense. God. And okay, there goes my there goes my portable power pack. We're back up to 15% battery though, so it should be good for a little while. But then the stream's only going on for another 10 minutes or so anyway. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create a separate extension for this, with this new idea in mind. And then we're going to move this over. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. That's not what I wanted to do. There we go. And then we'll have the menu in here. And then import Hikari, import light bulb, and then from light bulb, nope, from lightbulb.ext import neon. And then plugin equals lightbulb.plugin menu. Yeah, sure. So Hikari dot button style. Actually, if we're doing this, then surely we should have the count example, right? Menu dot run. So I don't know if it like does it kind of like, you know, we'll leave that for now. We won't bother with that for now. We'll come back to that in the next stream. Danger! I just want to get something working right now. And then green, success, and then we'll just have, I think primary is blue, isn't it? I think that's correct. And then secondary is grey. So we'll be able to choose between red, green, blue, and grey. And then also it might be worth changing changing the IDs there. And then that's it. Neon dot button group. Oops. And an async def set color. Self, and then button, because neon dot button. Remember when I said I was going to stop doing weird voices? So I'll edit message. Favorite color. Button dot. Okay, so there's custom ID and there's label, which is the one we want. And then I guess we can pass the component. Oh, actually, I'm not sure if we can pass that in here. Actually, I think we can. I think we can get rid of the components. I don't know if that's going to break it, but we'll see, I suppose. Menu equals menu. CTX. We'll have a timeout equals 60. I don't know what happens on timeout, but response equals await CTX.respond. Oh no, that'd be message, I think. Select your favorite color. Components equals menu.build. And then await menu.run message. And then in theory, that should be what we want. That's not what we want. And it might be what we want. I just suck. We had already established that though, to be fair, so should know that by now. Colors. Yeah, I was right. Oh, it built them backwards. No, that's actually technically not true. It's the order of the decorators. Red. Favorite color, red. Nice. That seems to work perfectly fine, doesn't it? If I don't get rid of the components, if I don't say components equals 0, does it like loop automatically? Colors. Green. Grey. Oh, it does loop automatically for you. Interesting. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Yeah, that'll pretty much do it. So in the next stream, which will be on YouTube, don't forget that will be on YouTube. It'll be on the 23rd at 4 PM on YouTube, not Twitch. We're not doing it on Twitch. We're doing it on YouTube next time. I just want to make that very clear to people in case you didn't know. So in the next video, what we will do is we will recreate the links command in Neon. I didn't even know it could do thingies. Select menus. So we'll recreate this in Neon, and then we might change this to match the one we just did in Neon. So then you'd have, the raw interaction implementations, and then you have the menus as well, which is so much nicer than menus. Holy crap, that's done so well. That's done amazingly well, actually. But yeah, thanks everyone for stopping by. Thanks for everyone that followed. Do appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you next time on YouTube, where we will continue this. We're doing the same thing again because I want to do a test, and for that test to be in any way conclusive, it needs to be the same topic. So we're just doing more Hikari stuff, and after that we might switch it up a bit. Yeah, this VOD will go up in one part, not two. I will kind of download them all and stitch it together and everything. When making your own Discord API, never. I'm never doing that. Christ, absolutely not. I could not think of anything I want to do less than that. I'm perfectly happy using Hikari. I remember there was someone in the Discord.py server, when Discord.py died, that suggested that Danny transfer ownership of Discord.py to me. Genuinely, that actually happened. It was the funniest thing I've ever seen. Danny was like, hell no, and I would have been like, hell no. Neither of us wanted that to happen. So yeah. But anyway, I'm going to end the stream now. So thanks for everyone stopping by, thanks for everyone that followed, and I'll see you on Thursday on YouTube, where we continue building our Hikari bot for the series. So I'll see you for that.